Hi guys, well, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe and today we're going to be doing a review on the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I know this is late, but I'm really happy I actually let the hype kind of die down, and I really feel like it's never too late to do a review on anything because not all of us had the $49, you know, to give when this foundation came out, so yeah. So I just wanted to do a review on it, give my take, do a wear test, see how it performs. Because, I mean, obviously this foundation is way up my alley if you've seen any of my other videos. So if you guys want to see my review and take on the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my primer on. I have the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, which is why my face looks like gray, that SPF that's in there. And I set my primer with my usual Smashbox primer water. So now I'm gonna go in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I've worn it before, but I didn't wear it for that many hours. So today we're actually going to put it to the test as far as how long it wears, because I have a relatively long day at work, so it'll be a true wear test, at least for like a 8-hour shift, which is what most people usually work. So I went in with 3 pumps. Looks like a lot, I guess. Oh, and my shade is Tahoe. I was going back and forth between the shade Cadiz and Tahoe, and I am so glad I went with Tahoe because I just know that Cadiz would be way too red for me. So 3 pumps seems to be doing it. I'm kind of running out though. So I'm gonna go back in with a 4th pump just to cover my eyes as well. It does build up really nicely actually. Like I don't feel like I'm moving around the product when I build it up in one area. Like it just, all it does is add more coverage without looking cakey at all, which I love. This might be the closest color match I might have ever bought, ever. All right, and then I'm gonna further blend that out with my MAC 196 brush. I'm gonna take a little Fix Plus, spray my brush. And while I'm blending this out, some cool things about the foundation is it has apple, watermelon, and raspberry extracts, which is interesting because all I can think of is people who may have like allergies to those. So I guess that would suck if you have an allergy to that, but otherwise, I mean, I didn't know that those were like smoothing and healthy ingredients for your skin, so that's nice. And also, I think it's cool that when I held this bottle like to the sun, it has like, it looks like there's a fuchsia reflect in there, at least in this shade, almost like this like pink iridescence. So that's probably why the skin looks so radiant. So that's cool. If anyone else notices that, let me know what your iridescence is for whatever shade you are. Doing this review, I definitely didn't want to do the whole read from the website or Sephora, like word for word, the description, but to give you guys the quick basics of this foundation, it claims to be a medium to full coverage foundation, 16-hour wear, a nice smoothing skin foundation, which I feel like that's pretty much, that's all you really need to know, right? I'm taking my cosmetics brush. I'm just going to blend out the foundation we put there on the lids. So this is looking pretty good. I really love the color. Like the color is like crazy. I mean, even on camera, I feel like, you know, sometimes the camera will make your foundation look a little crazy, but this is my skin color. For once, it's actually showing up on camera correctly. So really love the color. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I will be right back. So it's 11:45 right now. And I will have this foundation on until about 9:30-ish p.m. So we're gonna see how it holds up. I will be right back with my finished makeup look. Okay, so my makeup is on. Everything blended over the foundation beautifully. My skin looks so nice. The camera isn't really doing it justice. Well, I don't know, maybe it is. Yeah, my skin looks really, really nice. I'm just so happy with this foundation color though. Like this is my truest match for sure. And I know that is something that it says on the box. It has, let me go get the box. Okay, so it actually says that it has skin recognition pigments for the truest color match. And I believe that because this is really my match to a T. Like, and it doesn't look like, oh, a little too light, a little too dark. Like, this is my match. So yeah, I definitely believe that. So yeah, we are gonna see what this looks like at 9:30 p.m. Everything that I have on my face will be in the description bar down below. If you're a makeup wearer, like I feel like you know if your face is, how your face is gonna kind of, I guess, hold up throughout the day from like the moment you set your face. So I'm pretty confident so far with the way my face actually feels. I feel like it's not budging. Like I don't think that I'm gonna have any issues. I think the most that'll happen is some of my oils will come through in my normal areas where it usually does, which is my nose and my chin and like around here. But other than that, like I'm really loving the way it's sitting on my skin, how it feels. It's weightless. I feel like I can touch my skin and it's like, it's fine. And yeah, it just feels really good. So I will be back at 9:30 and we'll see how this holds up. I'll see you later. All right, so I am back. It is now 9:46, so it's been about 10 hours. And this is how my face is looking. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really good. Like I am really, really impressed by this. I'm more impressed around my nose, like my nose in general, my chin, around my nose. Those areas get really oily. Like there's usually nothing that I can do about it, but I mean, I haven't touched my face at all today. And for this to be like 10 solid hours of wear, all I would have to do is maybe touch up my nose and I would be good to go. Like this is kind of crazy. I am loving the way that it looks. I mean, yeah, like this is definitely, if you were thinking about getting this foundation, I would just go ahead and get it because this looks beautiful. Like it looked beautiful when I put it on. Of course, when it's fresh, it looks really pretty, but I'm not mad at this at all. Like if I had something to do like right after work, I could comfortably do whatever it is. This is a winner. This is definitely a winner. Easily became one of my favorite foundations. The color match is spot on. The way it wears is beautiful. And it's lightweight. Like I don't even feel it on my face. I don't even feel like I'm ready to take my makeup off, but I don't even like feel like I just want to like scrape it off. You know how you have those days? I'm just really impressed with it. So if you guys try this foundation, I think you'll be really pleased. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It is definitely 2 thumbs up for me. It is my new favorite foundation. Like, I already know this is going to be the foundation that I reach for. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and check out my other videos while you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. I'm not sure what the heck is going on with this camera right now.